everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. I am also fine. Once again, I have brought some unique and wonderful organization ideas. Look at this. How's they are looking? Tell me in the comment section. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most, or you can also save this video. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family members also. Look at this. Wonderful organization ideas. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. If you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye bye.